As much as you got to worry about yourself in emergency or disaster, if you have other people that are relying on you, like these people up here and the one on my back, and any pets, disabled, or elderly, you need to be prepping for them too. Let's talk about it as we climb this big mountain. Whew. My kids are not gonna go out procuring water or purifying water or stockpiling food and water, right? It's my responsibility. It's me. It's the person that is caring for them. And it's my responsibility. And it's my husband's responsibility. And it's our responsibility as a team to prep for the people and the animals that cannot take care of themselves. We are camping and hiking right now, and I prep, like we're never coming home. Like I buy so much food and water and things like we're never coming home, because even if we're gone for just a day or two, I want to make sure that we have plenty of first aid, medicine, food, water, essentials to take care of us in case something were to happen. What if something like, we had to get away, or we had to hunker down for a little bit extra than we had planned, right? It's all about being prepared. And so what? We have extra food and water on this trip. Guess what? We can just eat it and use it at home, right? Like it's not a big deal. So we have bug out bags, especially for babies, right? I showed you guys that I carry baby gear in my bug out bag because she's not going to carry her own stuff. I've made bug out bags and all sorts of things for them and carried stuff for them long before they could do it themselves. And then when they could do it themselves, of course, we start out small. You guys remember like your little bag and like little vest and stuff? Yeah, of course. I have a first aid kit in here. I cannot tell you how many times we've gone hiking, camping. We have a first aid kit in our car. We have one in the RV, and I always have one on me, period. In the carrier, backpack, purse.
One time I was riding my bike. I went down a hill too fast, and he couldn't stop, and I just fell off and rolled on concrete. Got a really giant cut right here on my knee. Had a scar.
I also got a cut sometimes, but luckily we had first aid kits, and he could at least give me a band-aid, but luckily it wasn't like a giant.
That's right, but it doesn't matter. We were always prepared. What? We made it? Oh my gosh, we made it!
Oh my god, I can feel it. Go, Archer!
Try. Hold on, baby. Don't go yet. Let me go first.
It's a crystal cave!
We made it to the crystal cave! Sound like my squats in. Just put her on my back. So, if you have someone in your home, whether it's very echoey in here, if you have someone in your home, a child or a disabled elderly, think about the daily, everyday actions that you take. Okay, I give medications. They need electricity for this certain medical device. They eat this certain type of food. We use this much water. What about hygiene? All this stuff. We need to keep this in mind and take care of people that cannot take care of themselves. Not just for bugging out, but for every day. Bugging in, hiking, adventures, road trips, just everyday preparedness of just going out for errands. Make sure everybody has water and snacks galore, right? And just basic things to help us get through Tuesday and Doomsday. But even if the people in your household are not into prepping, or like they think it's crazy or whatever, I'd still prep for them. Why? Because I love them and I want them to be prepared, regardless if they think I'm crazy or not. And this is especially true, like as my kids grow older, if they don't prep or whatever, I'm always going to prep for them. because I love them. They're my children. They're my family. And I will always make sure that they are taken care of no matter what. So that's just who I am. And, you know, so if it's other people that are living with you, you know, or people that are not, maybe you need to go over to, you know, somebody's home to take care of them. You know, maybe you could have a plan for them and that kind of thing. So it's having a plan and some of the gear and strategy and all this for them and all of their needs. So just look at their day-to-day, look at your day-to-day. How would you get to them? How could you get them out? All these things. Thank y'all so much for watching. We're going to go hike back now. It's like, what is it, 91? Oh, it's only 91. I thought it was a little hotter. Okay, well, we're going back now. All right, conquer tomorrow by preparing today. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.